But if you put enough clear on, you should have enough to do everything and get the panels nice and smooth. 4 coats of clear on it. Now typically whenever you do stripes or any type of graphic, you would want to cut the clear down with 600 and re-clear it. It'll really bury the stripe in it. But since this is a restoration, they never done that from the factory, and honestly these are going to be a lot nicer than what they would have been from the factory. So usually if you're pretty good with sandpaper and you can wet sand pretty good, you can get most of all of it buried without having to worry about taking too much clear off. It just involves more sanding if you want to make it really, really deep, and it'll give it more of a depth, especially with the red on top of the black. It'll really bury it and make it look like it's not really a graphic, it's just, you know, like it's painted on. It's literally painted there. So when you go to start wet sanding, this is kind of the beginning stage of it. We'll start with flat blocks in 800 grit. Depending on what we're going for, we'll use 600 sometimes. But for the most part, I knock all the clear coat down with 800. And we get all the orange peel out of everything to give it that clear, nice and clear shine to it. And we use a lot of water with Dawn soap because it cleans it as you're wet sanding. So by the time you get ready to buff, and if you do any DA sanding with it, whether if you're using 2000 or 3000, 4000, 5000, whatever grit you're trying to finalize with, the water will just keep the panel clean. And the soap will keep it clean also. So we're just trying to knock all the orange peel out and make sure that everything's nice and clean and gives it that nice clear finish.